Just the legs now.
It is a concern that started with mishandling by police of the woman member of parliament for Buvuma district. Susan Mugabe had organized belated Women's Day celebrations in her district, only to be stopped by police.
Women's Day is not an NRM day.
The manner of stopping is what prompted her fellow female legislators to petition the speaker.
They should be taken to court. They are breaking the law. They are violating the Constitution. They are criminals.
The petition was to be followed by another petition to Ministry of Internal Affairs. The procession for the same was, however, stopped. This led to a scuffle that saw 11 female opposition legislators arrested and detained at Central Police Station in Kampala. This is the kind of confrontation that some human rights defenders have condemned.
So Ugandans are only claiming for their rights, and they are not being responsible for certain behaviors that can violate their rights. We like so much to fight with the police. Why?
Jane Frances Oling is the Executive Director Women in Development, who says that whereas the MPs may have had a genuine cause, attacking the police on duty was uncalled for.
As a principle, human rights advocacy or defense has to be very peaceful, has to be non-confrontational, and we believed that these women would do the same, that they would explain to the police how they are taking their petition and they would be guided. But I saw they refused to be guided, and there became a fight between them and the police officers on duty, something that did not please us. These women are accountable to us. We expect them to act in a way that the rest of the women in this country can follow.
The incident saw Deputy Speaker of Parliament temporarily suspend the House sitting. This was for a brief meeting with concerned authorities, something Jane Oling disagrees with.
We are going to meet in my waiting area, House suspended for 10 minutes.
Suspending the sitting means there's a national crisis. That wasn't a national crisis. I think they needed to give it a second thought. These issues would be handled much later. It wasn't, I don't think it was a national crisis.
It took the intervention of the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Annette Among, for Central Police Station to release these MPs. Still in disagreement of this move is Jane Frances Oling, a senior human rights defender.
I think at that point the police looked very powerless, okay? What she did was right, but at what point did she need to do that? She moved in there at CPS and removed these ladies out, and of course took them to Parliament. I kept thinking, how vulnerable are our men and women in uniforms if these things keep occurring? So Parliament has to continue teaching its own to be peaceful.
As of now, the standoff continues to make headlines, with the Inspector General of Police summoned to appear before the Uganda Human Rights Commission. The extent to which this will address the differences remains a matter of time. Henry Okrut, UBC.